Hey, so this is just going to be a very, very quick tutorial to show you how to get these lovely little low highlight effects on Squarespace for your text, including the little hover. Really simple. So obviously it's only working on this one over here and it flickered because I hadn't saved my CSS, but I want to get it working on this block over here because I don't want it site-wide. I'm going to use a block identifier tool to grab the block ID, place it into my custom CSS, open some curly brackets, and get started. So let's do bold, let's do italic, and let's do hover links. So the three things we're going to be targeting are strong elements. Don't forget our curly brackets, italic elements, and hover links. So bold, literally first thing, font weight, and we want it to inherit that. That gets rid of the bold. Then we're going to set up the highlight. That's the background property, and it's a linear gradient. Open some regular brackets. It's going to be 180 degrees, comma, transparent, because we want the top to not overlap with the color of the background. Let's do 60%. And then another comma, let's do yellow as our color, but obviously use an RGBA, a hex code, whatever. Good practice to put that 60% in and a semicolon there. End. All done. Any bold text is in that block, or if I got rid of the block ID, everywhere would be with a low highlight. I can copy these properties and paste them for italic. Only you want to change font weight to font style to get rid of the italics. You can do the same for the hover for links, and get rid of the font weight there because it's not needed. Thing is, you'll notice it's not working, and that's because we need to throw in exclamation mark important, and it works. We probably also want to get rid of that regular underline. So let's open a new element there. And instead of targeting the hover state, we're just going to target the regular state. We're going to do a text decoration, and we're going to set it to none. Boom. All done. Hope that helps. Any questions? I'll probably put a bit more detail on my blog, or just drop me a message.